Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, check battery level and plug in until you reach 40–80%, then unplug. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so you can run safe maintenance tools. Make sure to back up app data and system settings. A factory reset may be required later. You proceed immediately to diagnostics. Open settings, battery, and view usage details. Note any rogue apps using excessive power. This first sequence removes easy causes before deeper fixes. You now perform deeper actions. Run battery usage analysis and pinpoint the top 3 apps that consume power, then uninstall or restrict them. Next, calibrate by fully charging to 100%, then letting the phone discharge to 0% and charging again to 100%. This resets reporting, not actual chemistry. Make sure to enable adaptive battery and limit background activity for identified apps. Use the built-in battery saver and review wake clocks. These steps normalize readings and reduce unnecessary drain. You finish by applying system and firmware updates. Manufacturers often include battery improvements. Once updated, monitor behavior for 48 hours. If issues persist, perform a factory reset as a last software fix, and then consider an OEM battery replacement. Hardware wear is permanent. Make sure to inspect for swelling, thermal throttling, or sudden percentage jumps. If you see those, stop using the device and replace the battery. One troubleshooting tip: if percentage jumps continue, use a hardware diagnostic tool or visit an authorized service center.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.